gonna one fry. Nobody will notice. Yeah.
Fed up with others getting to your food before you?
That's not even my house.
Stop settling for bland food with just salt and pepper.
Oh yeah, lots of flavor.
Girl, bye.
Hazardous substance.
Alright, that's fake AI. Y'all know what happens though.
But this is real.
You want to cook food like this, but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen?
Maybe even spice up your love life.
Well, we can help with some of that as we show you how to use what you got to cook fast, efficient, and delicious fresh meals with ingredients like this and more. All while learning how to earn cash instead of burning it on nasty takeout or spots that just don't care about their kitchen anymore. Look, we understand your pain. You're tired and you want inspiration for tasteful, real food made with love. Or you flat out just want to start learning how to cook. Either way, you ain't got time for a bunch of ads or scrolling.
Just give me the fudging recipe.
We got you. We're B.
NT, but best believe this is all about you.
We know you want more than just liking and commenting on recipes, so we teach you how to actually get in there and cook indoors and out like this. Dusty cookbooks are limited. Videos are way better. You just follow and produce the same dish. So grab your laptop, tablet, or cell phone, hit our site, bntsrecipes.com, search, click, and cook. That's it. Members get exclusive global recipes, custom and curated meal plans, grocery shopping lists, and simple step-by-step cooking videos. We help build your confidence and grow your efficiency in the kitchen, all while having a good time. So join us when you're ready to change your life with what we call cooking therapy.
Start now for free. Check out our YouTube channel. Subscribe, share, and start grubbing with our quick eats and tasty treats. Once you've got a feel for the positive cooking community vibes and delicious food, join B&T's Recipes, CCS, and let's cook something yummy.
T, that crab broil smell good.
Feed the fam or friends and just enjoy life.